I guess in the first and second years of the program, there's a focus on kind of building a foundation. So a lot of those courses kind of focus on really technically kind of perfecting maybe your printmaking techniques or skills in drawing, that then when you're in your third and fourth year, you become a bit more self-directed, which I think is really important. And then in your fourth year, you kind of develop your own projects for yourself throughout the year and set your own goals towards creating like a portfolio that you'll have at the end of your time at Mount A to bring out into the real world.
Not only are you getting the lecture component, but you're also really getting a hands-on experience with faculty who are going to help you through the project and also give them a breadth of experience and understanding that they're going to need when they enter into the world of visual arts after graduation.
I think it's really important to have professors that are active in the art world because, you know, you're learning from them and they kind of set an example for their students of what is available out there. In the Purdy Crawford, there's a number of different studios open to the students to work in. It's a really amazing facility to have. It gives students like a sense of professionalism in their artistic practice. To have a nice like open space for that is really incredible. Just to have like large studios to work in, kind of your own space that you can make your own, is a really great thing. The Owens is the oldest university art gallery in Canada. The Owens provides really amazing opportunities for the students on campus to get involved in an active gallery. I think the Sackville art scene is something that's really special. There's really always something going on, even though this is such a small town. It really just seems it's such a busy place and there's lots of people here who are making exciting things happen.